This summer, rogue detection teams partnered with NOAA Fisheries to search for European green crabs along the Pacific coast. Green crabs are an invasive species found increasingly throughout the Pacific Northwest USA, although they are native to the coasts of Europe and North Africa. They aren't endangered, and they are considered a nuisance, so why would biologists or rogues want to find them? Although European green crabs are invasive, they're still fascinating creatures. They're able to tolerate a variable acidity and temperature range. They can be found in freshwater estuaries, but also in saltwater along the coast. This means they can easily travel between different habitats and can create a home for themselves in each. They're great survivors, which is an adaptation they developed to be successful where they're native, but this ability to thrive nearly anywhere isn't good news for North American aquatic species. Green crabs are voracious shellfish eaters. They're capable of hunting young native crabs like the Dungeness crab, as well as clams and oysters. Female crabs have a lifespan of about 4 years and can produce up to 185,000 eggs in one reproductive cycle. If a female lives her full lifespan, she's capable of producing about 740,000 young crabs. The issue of invasive green crabs is especially pressing due to climate change. Ocean acidification and rising water temperatures as a result of climate change are more difficult for native species to adapt to, while the green crab is already suited to temperature and acidity fluctuations. Sadly, native species don't have that normal transition period to adapt to these environmental changes, as they're already dealing with the green crab invasion. Besides preying on native species for food, green crabs also have an effect on aquatic plant life. When burrowing into the sand, they slice and uproot eelgrass and salt marsh grass. These aquatic plants lower the acidity of ocean water, neutralizing the effects of climate change, creating a more habitable environment for species who need that lower acidity to thrive. When green crabs disturb these grass beds, they increase the acidity of the local water and destroy habitats, affecting other tidal species. Green crabs not only affect coastal flora and fauna, but also the shellfish industry in the Pacific Northwest. This rippling effect that green crabs have created is expected to worsen over time, which is why early detection and mitigation is so important. By locating these invasive invertebrates, this pilot project hopes to demonstrate how detection dog teams can help researchers find high concentration areas, newly invaded habitats, and hidden crabs that are not easily seen by the human eye. The rogue teams will locate specimens in the wild, alerting researchers to their presence. The ultimate goal of conservationists in deploying detection dog teams is to develop detection methods, but also a plan of action to sniff out this invasive species before they become established in sensitive marine ecosystems. In this way, the dogs will help protect native species, preserving sensitive ecosystems for years to come.